Good evening, folks. It's Glenn the Ball Chef coming back at you. That's right. It's a happy day. And we're going to take you back to Southeast Asia, to Thailand, where I spent some time and eat Thai food for a long time. I eat a lot of Thai food over there, and I'll tell you what, it's a great cuisine. With the prices of food today, carry out, go to a restaurant, everything's expensive. So if you can do this at your house, it's $100 better than any carry-out dish. And being a guy that was in country, I know how to cook this stuff. Really do. And it's a recipe for Thai basil. And I tell you what, if you make this dish up for your family or your friends, they will be dazed, glazed, and amazed. I guarantee you. It's as authentic as it can be. It's better than your restaurant that I've ever been in. So without any further ado, I'm going to take you into my kitchen. We're going to do this right. So let's get this thing rolling and get in the kitchen and start cooking. All right, now we got it. Got those skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Oh yeah, baby, you can use chicken breast, but it comes a lot better. I like the dark meat. Oh yeah, a lot more tender, a lot more juicy. Cut this stuff up into bite-sized little morsels. Don't cut your fingers off. Careful. Uh-oh, there's some fat there. Probably don't want that. Ew. Get a heart attack. Alright, there's the picky new peppers. I don't know what you can see on YouTube anymore, but the literal oh, that one wasn't cut right. Uh-oh. Now we got that one in there. Alright, so good. Back to these picky news peppers. I don't know what you can see on YouTube, but this is basically the literal translation of picky new peppers. Basically means a rat poop pepper. I don't know why they named them that, but those are spicy little guys. Those little guys are hot. So, you know, you got to adjust to whatever your tastes are. I put 4 of them in this. Was enough for 2 people. And now we're chopping up the garlic. Put a nice fine chop on that garlic. Oh yeah, a lot of garlic. Very healthy for you. And it tastes great too. Get that all chopped up. Nice. And then we're going over the onion. Just put a medium chop on that. And that's going to add a lot of flavor to this. Oh, fell apart there. No problem. Now I'm just going to cut that again. There we go. Now we're back over the stove. 2 tablespoons of your favorite vegetable oil. Throw in the onions first. Let those get cooked off a little bit. We're going to infuse that oil with the flavors here. Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. We're going to have this thing here stirred off. We're going for it. And after those have been sitting there for a minute, well, that's a long time. But we're just doing the picky news. That's gonna really bring the heat up on this. Throw the garlic in last. Don't want to burn the garlic. It'll make this bitter and you will be very disappointed. But now that we got the garlic, the picky peppers, and the onions, we're going to infuse, season that oil up real nice. And then, of course, once that's all done and everything's looking good, like I think it is, we're going to throw in our chicken. Make sure once you put that chicken in there, you wash your hands. Make people sick. At any rate, that chicken's going to sit in there and it's going to cook on high heat. Do it in there again. Okay, now we have had this thing going for a minute and we've got all that chicken cooked off perfectly. We're going to go with my favorite brand. If you're going to get the fish sauce, I definitely highly recommend this 3 Crab brand. About 2 tablespoons to your liking, depending on how much salt you like. That would be your choice. And then we take our fresh basil, throw that in there, kind of just saute that off, blanch it, we'll say, and then we'll be ready to plate this up on a nice bowl of jasmine rice. And you got something really nice here, something that you should be proud of if you try. But we're done here, and we're going to go over to the tasting table and see what this stuff actually tastes like. I think it's going to be good. Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and we just put together this Thai delight. Believe it or not, in Thailand they don't use forks. They use spoons. This is a Asian spoon. So we're going to do it the way the Thais do it. This is going to be good, I think. A little bit of everything on there. Some basil. Nice jasmine rice. Give this a bite. You know, when I go to a Thai restaurant, I tell them no soy sauce because I don't like soy sauce. I don't like it sweet. I want it spicy. This is probably one more picky new pepper would have been awesome. This is a fantastic recipe on many levels. You know, I'm a lot more than a YouTube producer. I also specialize in search engine optimization. Take a look at my website. Follow the link to the recipe that's posted in the description. You can see exactly what I used, how I did it. And you know, if you got a blog or a website that needs some work, I'm going to also leave a link to my agency. If you need some little tricks, there's a lot of stuff that's changed. I'm really on top of what Google's doing, and my agency does great website work. My site was down. I'm retired now, so I'm cleaning up my website. It needs a lot of work, but it's going to be there. But I want to take this time to also thank all of my new subscribers out there. I really appreciate you getting in the game with me. We can work together as partners and make each other successful. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch me put this Thai recipe together. Hopefully the video quality was better. I still don't have the right cameras yet. I think I told you in my previous video that I'd been robbed, so I'm shooting this on a pretty crummy camera. But at any rate, thanks for stopping by. Check the recipe out. If you like it, tell me you like it. If you don't, just tell me why. I'm not perfect, but I appreciate that subscriber, man. I'm looking for new subs. If you sub to me, man, I will take care of you, man. I will promote you. So without any further ado, I'm going to end this video by saying thanks for watching, and as always, bon appetit.